Okay, we still in West Sumatra, tanah datar. How to say it? It's Kabupaten Tanah Datar. Now we go to Batang Kuranji Waterfall. Waterfall of Batang Kuranji. Okay, we will see. We go there now. Okay, we have to climb a little bit because it's a bad trek, and you see there is the waterfall for there. We have to climb this mess that villagers cut the trees. It's not really good, but we have to cross it, climb it to the waterfall. A bit more to the waterfall. We come to Batang Kuranji Waterfall. It's so beautiful. After we have to climb this ruin hill, we have to climb it to go here. Okay, and here the beautiful waterfall of Batang Kuranji. The waterfall, you can see it. Wow, it's so beautiful, and we can have a bath here. It's some like a jacuzzi, small jacuzzi. Not really small, but it can make us fresh to have some bath here. This beautiful rock as a wall of this big hill, beautiful rock. Oh, wait a minute, we see something. It's a frog. Oh yeah, it's a frog. Okay. Okay, I try to come closer to the frog. I'm going to see the frog. Hope he will not run. He will not jump, I mean. Sorry. Oh, let me see. Okay, I will take closer. Okay, it is Rana Hosi, the frog. Of a hill frog, hilly frog. Oh, it's nice. Yeah, it's really nice. On the above of, oh sorry, on the base of waterfall. Okay, I try to make her jump. Okay, jump. Oh, he is jumping. It's a waterfall because it's very slippery here, very many moss here, very humid and wet. Okay, she's still there. Rana see. I'm trying to cross the frog. Okay. I get the frog. Oh. This is Rana see. Okay, that's all our journey today to the hidden waterfall, and I think West Sumatra have a lot of nice view of natural view and forest I live here in West Sumatra.